Group 2 element alkali earth metal, in which the common electronic configuration is NH2. The element barium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radon. These are alkali earth metal. These are the alkali metal, group 1. We are talking about group 2 element alkali earth metal. Their different chemical properties. Reaction with oxygen and oxide. All metal form oxide, metal oxide. M plus O2, metal oxide. Reactivity, barium is less reactive, then magnesium is more, then calcium, then strontium, then barium, then radon. Continuously reactivity increase, metallic character increase down the group in easily formed oxide. Basic nature also increase down the group. Phagon's rule, barium is most covalent character and less basic, so barium oxide amphoteric nature. Barium oxide react HCl, then form barium chloride BCl2 plus water, and barium oxide react with base, then form Na2BO2 plus water. All oxide on heating in excess of air form peroxide. All oxide on heating in excess of oxygen form peroxide, M plus O, MO2. Reaction with nitrogen अथवा the nitrite. Reaction with nitrogen nitride, all elements form their respective nitride on reaction with nitrogen. Metal react with nitrogen, they form M3N2. Reactivity, group top to down reactivity increase. Barium is less reactive and beryllium is less reactive, and barium is high reactive. Only beryllium Be3N2 is volatile. Barium, they have 2 electron in electronic configuration, 1 barium atom. जो 3 barium atom have 3 into 2 6 electron. In nitrogen valence is 3, then 2 into 3 is 6, then form a bond 6 6. B3N2 is volatile, whereas nitrite are solid because Phagon rule. All nitrite on heating decompose to give a nitrogen M3N2 in presence of heat, that form metal plus nitrogen. All nitrite reaction with water give ammonia. All metal nitrate react with water give metal hydroxide plus ammonia. Reaction with water then hydroxide. Barium not affected by water or steam. Barium is not affected by magnesium only react with boiling water. Magnesium plus water, magnesium hydroxide plus water. Calcium and strontium, calcium, strontium and barium react with cold water, form metal hydroxide, evolution of the hydrogen. Basic character, thermal stability, solubility of the hydroxide increase on moving down the group. Basic character, thermal stability and solubility down the group increase in solubility due to the decrease in the lattice energy. Lattice energy decrease, that's why solubility is increase. Reaction with hydrogen अथवा the hydride. Reaction with hydrogen and hydride. Metal, group 2 metal react with hydrogen from metal hydride MH2BH2 not give reaction except beryllium. All metal react with hydrogen. बेरिलियम के अलावा सारे एलिमेंट है वो हाइड्रोजन के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं. बेरिलियम क्लोराइड रिएक्ट विथ लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड, that form beryllium hydride. plus lithium chloride plus aluminum chloride. Barium hydride and magnesium hydride. Beryllium hydride and magnesium hydride are covalent and polymeric, whereas the other hydride are ionic in nature. Beryllium hydride BeH2 is react form a banana bond, covalent bond. BeHBe 3 center 2 electron banana bond. Thermal stability of this hydride increase in moving down the group. These hydride are good reducing agent in aqueous solution, so they give off hydrogen on hydrolysis. Metal hydride react with water, they form a metal hydroxide plus hydrogen. Reaction with halogen अथवा the halide. All metal on heating with halogen form halide type MX2. Metal react with halogen MX2. This halide also obtained by reaction of the halogen acid with oxide, hydroxide or carbonate of this metal. This halide also obtained by reaction with oxide, hydroxide, carbonate of this metal. Metal hydroxide react with HCl, then metal chloride MCl2 plus H2O. Then beryllium chloride can't be prepared in aqueous solution due to formation of hydrated ion BeH2O4 plus 2 hydrated beryllium ion. This is hydrated beryllium form, that's why beryllium chloride cannot prepared in aqueous medium. Beryllium chloride is prepared by heating beryllium oxide in presence of coke in a current of chlorine gas. कंटिन्यूस क्लोरीन गैस जा रहा है, उसके साथ हमने बेरिलियम ऑक्साइड एंड कोक कार्बन का हीटिंग किया तो हमें मिल जाता है बेरिलियम क्लोराइड 700 सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर पे. दिस फॉर्म अ सॉलिड स्टेट बेरिलियम क्लोराइड. polymeric form BeCl2. In solid state it is in polymer form, not a 3 center 2 electron. In vapor state monomeric BeCl2 above 1200 Kelvin. Dimeric ClBrCl below 1200 Kelvin. These are in the vapor form, monomeric and dimeric, which is vapor state, and solid state in polymeric nature. Reaction with carbon and carbides. All metal except beryllium form carbide type MC2. Metal react with carbon form MC2, magnesium, strontium, calcium and barium. Beryllium plus carbon not reaction, not form. Beryllium oxide, when beryllium oxide react with carbon they form beryllium carbide. Bright red colored ionic carbide form. Fluoride structure BeC2. If we another example of fluoride structure is CaF2, in which Ca plus 2 half of the octahedral ion occupied, and anion F minus A lattice. All carbide except beryllium called acetalide because on hydrolysis acetylene gas release. That's why metal carbide react plus water, then metal hydroxide plus acid and C2H2. Beryllium carbide on heating on hydrolysis they give barium hydroxide plus methane. Calcium carbide react with water, calcium hydroxide plus acetylene C2H2. CH triple bond CH. Calcium carbide in reaction with sodium form calcium cyanide CaNCN. Isostructural N double bond C double bond N minus 2 isoelectronic O C double bond O minus ना माइनस टू नहीं आएगा कैल्शियम साइनाइड CaCN2 plus carbon used as a fertilizer because undergo very low rate hydrolysis. On hydrolysis they form ammonia. Reaction with carbonate, oxide or hydride of alkali earth metal. Reaction with carbon dioxide will form metal carbonate. Metal oxide plus CO2, metal carbonate, metal hydroxide plus CO2, metal carbonate plus water. The thermal stability of this carbonate increase in moving down the group. Solubility of the carbonate decrease in the down the group due to decrease in the hydration energy. Take an example, calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide that form calcium carbonate. Milky solution plus water. Further they react with carbon dioxide, they form calcium hydrogen carbonate, calcium bicarbonate. Soluble, milky, calcium carbonate milky which is insoluble, but calcium hydrogen carbonate is soluble. Barium hydroxide plus CO2, beryllium carbonate with PPT. Further is react with carbon dioxide, excess of carbon dioxide that form beryllium hydrogen carbonate. Solubility in liquid ammonia. Check the solubility in liquid ammonia. Group 2 soluble in liquid ammonia forming deep blue color due to a solvated electron. Paramagnetic in nature. Concentration solution of the alkali and alkaline earth metal in liquid ammonia has bronze color. This bronze color is diamagnetic in nature. Fraction of the magnesium. Extraction of magnesium. From magnesite MgCO3 magnesium carbonate. We extract a magnesium by decomposition of the magnesium carbonate. Then formation of magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide then reduced to metal by electrolytic reduction. Anode upar carbon containing anode, iron containing cathode. So magnesium deposit on cathode. Thermal reduction of the magnesium oxide using carbon, silicon or aluminum. Magnesium oxide reduction with carbon from magnesium plus carbon monoxide. This also reduction by silicon. Then silicon that forms silicon oxide, silica SiO2 plus magnesium, aluminum, then Al2O3 formation of Al2O3 plus magnesium. Then another is the MgCl2 into 6H2O, magnesium obtained by electrolysis of molten magnesium chloride. Anhydrous MgCl2 can't be obtained by heating. Magnesium chloride into 6H2. When we heat, they form magnesium chloride into 2H2O. Then further heating they form magnesium oxide plus Cl2. Then further heating they form magnesium oxide. Magnesium chloride into 6H2 in a current of HCl gas. They form magnesium chloride anhydrous. Then electrolyte magnesium chloride plus NaCl plus CaCl2. NaCl and CaCl2 decrease the melting point, improve the electronic conductivity of metal. Cathode is iron and anode is a carbon. Then cathode reduction of the magnesium and anode oxidation of the chlorine. Carnallite KCl MgCl2 into 6H2O. Dow process, which is also one of the popular process. Magnesium obtained from the seawater. Dow process is one of the popular process to obtain a magnesium from the seawater. Magnesium chloride or magnesium sulfate react with calcium hydroxide. They form a particular magnesium hydroxide which further react with HCl. Then formation of the magnesium chloride into 6H2O. Further heating and with HCl gas. Then anhydrous MgCl2 plus 6H2O is formed. Solution of the magnesium hydroxide in water act as an antacid, also known as a milk of magnesia. Same sodium hydrogen carbonate is an antacid. Magnesium hydroxide is also antacid and sodium hydrogen carbonate is also antacid. Magnesium hydroxide MgOH twice is also called milk of magnesia. देन बात करेंगे एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ द कैल्शियम. Extract from calcium chloride. Electrolyte calcium chloride plus KCl. Melting point decrease KCl and improve electron conductivity. Anode of carbon and cathode of iron, in which cathode is reduction and formation of the calcium solid, and anode which is carbon containing anode, here Cl minus ion which oxidize into chlorine gas. We cannot obtain calcium by electrolysis of molten calcium hydroxide, because calcium hydroxide CaOH2 react with in a high temperature, they form calcium oxide plus water, infusible. अब हम बात करेंगे कैल्शियम के कंपाउंड के बारे में. कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड salted lime detection of CO2 and SO2. Calcium hydroxide used in detection of the CO2 and SO2. Calcium hydroxide react with CO2, they form milky solution. Calcium carbonate react, which form calcium carbonate, react with further CO2 and H2O, they form calcium hydrogen carbon, which is soluble. Calcium oxide react with calcium oxide is called quicklime. When we react with water, they form calcium hydroxide. When we heat it, they form calcium. In presence of carbon, they form calcium carbide plus water. Calcium carbide further react with water, they form calcium hydroxide plus acetylene. Calcium carbide react with nitrogen, they form calcium nitrile. Calcium and magnesium heat in inert case, otherwise it form a compound of SO2 NO2. Calcium carbonate decompose into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Calcium sulfate into 2H2O is called a gypsum. Are used in plaster of Paris. Calcium sulfate into 2H2O, gypsum. No, sorry, calcium sulfate and 2H2O further heat and decompose into calcium sulfate into 1/2 H2 in one calcium sulfate into 1/2 H2, which is used in plaster of Paris. Further decompose into calcium sulfate, dead burn plaster. Bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride CaOCl2, in which one chlorine plus one charge and other chlorine is minus one charge. Calcium, the chlorine which is directly attached to calcium is minus one, chlorine which is attached to oxygen is plus one charge. Bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride CaOCl2, calcium hydroxide plus chlorine, they form CaOCl2 into CaCl2 into CaOH twice into 2H2O plus H2O. Bleaching powder, CaOCl2 into CaCl2 into CaOH twice into H2O is called a bleaching powder. Then हम अब बात करेंगे डायगोनल रिलेशन बिटवीन लिथियम एंड मैग्नीशियम. Lithium, sodium, beryllium, magnesium. When we go in lithium in a period, lithium to beryllium size decrease. When we go down the group, size increase. Here lithium and magnesium have similar size, and charge upon size ratio of lithium and magnesium have same, so they have similar property. Both lithium and magnesium have high melting point than other element of the group. Both directly combine with nitrogen and form nitride Li plus N2 Li3N Mg plus N2 Mg3 N2. Carbonates, nitrates of both the are unstable. LiNO3 decompose Li2 plus NO2 plus O2, MgNO3 twice decompose MgO plus NO2 plus O2. Then hydride, not hydroxide, hydride of both the metal are unstable. Magnesium hydroxide decompose into magnesium oxide plus hydrogen. Bicarbonate of both metal exist in aqueous solution. Bicarbonate, lithium hydrogen carbonate, magnesium hydrogen carbonate in aqueous solution. Chloride of both the metal are degradation from water, absorb H2O from water, and separated out from the solution in the form of hydrated solution. Chloride of both metal are absorb H2O or water and separate out from the solution in the form of hydrated solution. Lithium chloride into 2H2, magnesium chloride into 2H2, डाइहाइड्रेट. अब हम रिवीजन करेंगे एस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट का, एस ब्लॉक ग्रुप, एस ब्लॉक के एलिमेंट. हीटिंग ऑफ द साल्ट, mercury, silver, platinum, gold हीटिंग करवाથી આ हीटिंग then form a metal. Silver nitrate heating silver oxide then form a silver carbonate. Calcium carbonate heating metal oxide plus CO2. Calcium carbonate heat calcium oxide plus CO2. Further calcium oxide heat, then we cannot get a calcium, but only in mercury, silver, platinum and gold. When we heat it, they form a metal. Silver oxide, then further heat it, they form a metal. Sodium, potassium, cesium and rubidium carbonate. Sodium, potassium, cesium, rubidium carbonate. When heated, they can't give a reaction. Bicarbonate, on heating they form a carbonate plus CO2 plus H2O. Sodium carbonate not soluble in water, solo ammonia process. Nitrate, when nitrate decompose into metal oxide plus NO2 plus O2. Silver nitrate, silver oxide plus NO2 plus O2, then silver metal plus oxygen. Okay. Calcium nitrate, then it's oxidized calcium oxide plus NO2 plus O2. Sodium, potassium, cesium, rubidium, heat it, they form nitrite. NaNO3, heat it, they form NaNO2. Brown gas not given. Sulfate, when sulfate decompose, they form metal oxide plus SO2 plus O2. Calcium sulfate, calcium oxide plus SO2 plus O2. Iron sulfate, Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus O2. They not form this reaction, but they form Fe2O3 plus SO2 gas plus SO3 gas. Here is acidic gases. Ammonium salt. What happens when ammonium salt? Ammonium nitrate, N2O, dinitrogen oxide gas plus H2O, ammonium NH4NO2, N2 gas plus H2O, no residue. But ammonia NH4 twice plus Cr2O7 orange color, nitrogen plus Cr2O3 plus water green color, Cr2O3. Q by R, more Q by R is more, then the compound is less stable. Charge, Q is equal to charge and R is equal to size. Copper sulfate and magnesium sulfate, charge is same, plus 2 plus 2. The size of the magnesium is high, so R is high, so Q by R value is less. So magnesium sulfate is less stable. Stability of the sodium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, aluminum carbonate. Here sodium, magnesium, aluminum. Here charge is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. So plus 3 charge. So this is the stability is high. Al2CO3. CO3 thrice. But note that we compare the size, then size of the sodium metal is high as compared to magnesium and as compared to aluminum. So Q by R ratio of aluminum is higher than magnesium, than sodium. So Q by R value is more, then this compound is less stable. So aluminum carbonate, Al2CO3, is less stable as compared to magnesium carbonate, as compared to sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is highly stable. due to the Q by R ratio is less. Lithium not form alum. Lithium and magnesium same property, so directly react with oxygen and nitrogen. Aluminum nitride plus H2 from aluminum hydroxide plus ammonia. Calcium sulfate, calcium sulfur, CaS, calcium sulfate plus not calcium sulfate, calcium sulfide, CaS plus water from calcium hydroxide plus H2S. Ca3P2 plus water, calcium hydroxide plus PH3, phosgene. Alkali metal. Alkali metal are colors, ammoniated solution. Lithium, magnesium have a same property. Paramagnetic, blue, reducer. In concentrate, ammonia, bronze color or diamagnetic. In concentrate, in a blue, paramagnetic. Lithium plus O2, Li2O plus water, lithium hydroxide, sodium plus O2, Na2O plus H2, sodium hydroxide, Na2O2 plus water, sodium hydroxide plus peroxide. Calcium, cesium, rubidium. Now they form oxide, peroxide, superoxide. Na2O plus CO2 तो Na2CO3 plus O2. Oxone, Na2O, used in submarine, yellow color. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH, react with CO, they form sodium formate, HC double bond O Na. Further it heat, they form C double bond O Na, C double bond O Na. React with phosphorus, they form phosgene, PH3, NaH2PO2. NaOH react with NO2 plus H2O. They form HNO3 plus HNO. Carbon dioxide carbon dioxide and water react with NaOH, they form sodium carbonate. Amphoteric. Zinc, aluminum, tin, lead, arsenic, antimony plus NaOH. Dissolve NaOH, they dissolve in release hydrogen. Amphoprotic. Zinc, aluminum, tin, lead, arsenic and antimony. Iron chloride not dissolve. NaOH react with tin, they form Na2SnO2. Tin plus water, they form Na2SnO3. Tin oxide, then Na2SnO2. Tin dioxide, then SN2SnO3. Sodium carbonate plus H2SO4. Sodium carbonate plus H2SO4 used in fire extinguisher. Na2O minus 2. O minus 2 दो oxide. Na2O2 O2 minus 2 oxide. charge -1, so the peroxide KO2, O2 minus 1 by 2 oxide, then it's called peroxide, superoxide. Then it's called -2 oxide, -1 peroxide, -1 by 2 superoxide. KO2 react with water, so these are not stable in water. Li2CO3 very less stable, very less soluble, sorry. Li2CO3 very less soluble. Sodium hydroxide react with sulfur, they form a sulfide Na2S plus thiosulfide Na2H2O3 plus H2O. React with chromium chloride, chromium hydroxide plus NaCl. Further, chromium hydroxide react with NOH, not dissolve. So reaction with NaOH and hydrogen peroxide from Na2CrO4. Sodium sulfate Na2SO3 react with sulfur, they form Na2H2O3. Further react with AgNO3, they form Ag2H2O3. Further react with Na2H2O3, they form NaHg2H2O3. ફોટોગ્રાફિક પ્લેટમાં યુઝ થાય NaHg2H2O3, NaHg2H2O3. Sodium thiosulfate further react with iodine, then they form iodide ion, Na sodium iodide plus Na2S4O6, in which sulfur have two oxidation state S0 and S is equal to +5. Potassium iodide react with mercury iodide from K2HgI4, is red in color. Nastler reagent. Potassium iodide react with I2, they form Ki3. I minus iodide ion react with I2, I3 minus. Then sodium nitrate NaNO3, it's called chili saltpeter, and potassium nitrate, it's called Indian saltpeter. Indian Caopita. Copper sulfate react with potassium iodide, then they form cuprous iodide CuI2 plus K2SO4. Further they form Cu2I2 plus I2. Copper sulfate further react with potassium cyanide, they form CuCN twice. Reducing as well as complexing agent, copper sulfate plus KCN is a reducing as well as complexing agent. CuCN twice further form Cu2CN twice plus CCN. Cyanogen behave as a halogen. Cyanogen CN bond. Cu2CN2 react with KCN, they form K3CuCN4, in which copper have +1 oxidation state. NaOH react with chlorine, they form NaCl plus sodium oxychloride NaOCl. Sodium hydroxide react with Cn twice, they form sodium cyanide plus NaCNO. Iron tetrachloride react with KCN, they form FeCN3 plus KCN K3 FeCN6.